Welcome to the tutorial presented by fullwebsolutions.com. In this tutorial, we'll go over adding hyperlinks to website pages that open up PDF files. As an example, we'll go to the advocacy page of this website, and in this tutorial, we'll go over how to add a hyperlink over here as number 7. So we got a list over here 1 through 6. So in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and add a 7th hyperlink here that's going to open up a PDF. So to do that, we will have to break down this tutorial into two parts, two steps to it. Basically, the first thing is you got to add the PDF file to the website first. So essentially, you upload the PDF file first, and then in the second step, you come to this page and you make the change. You add the 7th item here, and then you link this item, the text for number 7, to the PDF file from the first tab. So we'll go ahead and start that. So we'll go to the back end of the website, go to dashboard. As a reminder, this is your back end. So you would go to the media menu item. That's where you would upload your PDF. You just hover your mouse over media and then you click on add new. Once you click on add new, you will see the upload new media page show up. You go ahead and select your files. If you require to add multiple hyperlinks, say if you had to add item number 7, 8, 9, 10, you would go ahead and upload those 4 files in this step. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to go ahead and do one file. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my example PDF. I'm going to click on open. PDF's going to be uploaded. So as you can see here, the PDF is already uploaded. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to copy the URL to clipboard. Now, what that did was it's copied the path to go to this file. So I already have that copied. So now I'm going to go to the second step, which is editing that page and adding the text for the hyperlink. So I'm going to go to the front end for that. So I'm going to click on visit site. I'm going to go to the page where I want to make my change. I'm going to click on advocacy. Then I'm going to enable Visual Builder. I'm going to give it about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so I got my Visual Builder enabled. Then I'm going to scroll down to that list of hyperlinks. And I'm going to start making a change here. So I'm going to click on the gear icon. Then I'm going to scroll down to number 7. So right after 6, if I hit enter, then I'm going to type in 7 dot. Okay, so what's happening right now is looks like 7's already getting the hyperlink, but I believe this is coming from 6. So I'm just going to trace back a few steps here. So I'm going to undo this. I'm going to just close this out. I'm going to carefully open this again. Okay, it's doing that again, and that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and just type 7 dot, and I'm going to type in this is the text for the example PDF. Now, as you can see over here, this text is already hyperlinked, and because we hit enter from number 6, it's inherited the same hyperlink on 7. So that's no problem. All you gotta do is you gotta go ahead and highlight this step, number 7. Uh, you would do the same thing if there was no hyperlink. So say if you had something that had no hyperlink altogether, as an example, if I just remove, if there's no hyperlink here, you'd go ahead and just highlight it just the way it is. Okay, so what we do next is we come up here to the toolbar and we look for this hyperlink button. It looks like a chain link. Think of it as chain link is hyperlink. Click on that. Actually, you can see over here nothing is linked to it. So you go ahead and you would right click and paste your hyperlink. So as a reminder, when the PDF was uploaded, we copied to clipboard the path to the PDF, and that's what we're pasting here. And I'm going to click on OK. So now number 7 has the new link. I'm going to go ahead and click on checkbox. And then I'm going to save my file. And then I'm going to exit. So now if you look at the front end, you'll see I got my text here. So if I click on 7, it's going to open my PDF. If I go back to the page. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and make this text look just like that. You may not have that issue. It turns out in this example, this turned out to be a different text. So I'm just going to go back and make sure it's all fixed up. So I'm going to go back to enable Visual Builder. Again, you may not need this, but it's a good way of showing this on the tutorial in case you run into the same issue. So you go back here, and then I'm going to enable my settings. I'm just going to go ahead and just delete this altogether. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy number 6 into below it, and then I'm just going to change the text. I'm going to change this to 7, and I'm just going to say this is an example hyperlink to end PDF. Then I'm going to highlight it again, come up here, go to the chain link. Again, because this was copied from number 6, this hyperlink is from number 6. So again, I'm going to delete all this, and I'm going to paste what I had previously copied from the PDF. And before I hit OK, I'm going to go ahead and change the target to new window. So what this does is when somebody clicks on the hyperlink, it opens the PDF as a new tab. So I'm going to click on OK, click on checkbox, and I'm going to save my work and exit the Visual Builder. Now you can see my number 7 is completely different, at the same time same formatting. If I click on number 6, you can see how 6 opened the Word file. If I click on number 7, you can see how 7 opened as a new tab. Again, just to summarize, there's 2 steps to this. First step is you add the PDF file from the back end. You go over here, you go to media, add new file, and then the second step is you go to the front end, go to the page, make the change using Visual Builder, and format it the way you want. Uh, Depending on how things turn out, if things do not come out the way you want, you can always copy the previous item, paste it, and then just edit it and edit the link as well. So hopefully that makes sense. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact fullwebsolutions.com, and we'll be more than happy to help. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thanks for watching.